Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial, I quickly want to show you how you can create a sticky header for your website. And it's very easy to set up. And I will show you right now how it's done. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the templates option over here. You can click on it, then go to all to view all the templates for your website. So these are all the different sidebars that you can edit with Elementor. And now I have to select the header that's over here, so I click on it, and now you see that there's one header template available. This one is published and it's also active on the entire site, as you can see over here. So now I want to edit this header with Elementor, and now you can see the header over here. And at this point, it's not sticky yet, so you see when I scroll. And after you also see that headers are sticky, so when you scroll to the bottom of the page, then the header will stick to the top of your screen, so it stays in the view of the visitor. And how you can do that is very easy. Select the entire section by clicking on it. Now you can see that the section, there's only one that it has been selected because it's blue, and you can also see it over here. Edit section. So now we know that the section is selected, and the next thing you need to do is go to the advanced tab over here. You need to click on it, and the next thing you need to do is go to the motion effects, and then you see the option sticky over here, and now it's been set to none. But if you change this to top, then the whole section will stick to the top of the page whenever a visitor scrolls down. So now it's like this. If I scroll down, and there's not much to scroll for this example, but the point is clear. If I scroll down, you can now see that the header sticks to the top of the page. So if you want to do that, you can do it like this. Don't forget to click on update to save all the settings. If you want to set it back, then you can select none over here. And now whenever I scroll down, you see that the section goes to the top and it's not visible anymore. I hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again in the next one.